What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. A little bit of tough news today. So the time has come. I have decided to sell the Cobra. If by the time this video comes out, the car's not already sold, I will let you know if anybody's interested in buying it. But as of now, there's a solid offer on the table, and it may happen. I have no idea. But it might. I'll know tomorrow, hopefully. So, and before we get any further, Boosted, sorry, bro. But as I said, it's my favorite hat. I don't want to ruin it. With that news out of the way, what am I going to get to replace it? Well, for now, I'm going to buy a daily. We need a daily because we can't keep driving my wife's 2016 all the time. The poor thing's getting beat to hell. And it's time for Melly to take a minute to just kick back, recover a little bit, get a little bit of TLC, and there will be some mods coming. Now, what am I going to get to replace the Cobra? Might not be a Mustang. I know. I hear you. However, Go Fast Nation. Nothing about Go Fast Nation says I'm a Mustang only channel. Do I love Mustangs? Hell yeah. I love Mustangs. They're awesome. Why am I most likely not going to get a Mustang? Well, because I was thinking to myself, what do I want to get to replace my Cobra? Well, I thought about a Terminator. Obvious next step, right? Well, there are very few Terminators on the market that are worth the money that people are asking for these things. I didn't see one that was less than 30 grand. Are there some out there? I'm sure. But the legacy, the legend, that's what you're paying for. So I decided probably not going to get a Terminator. Okay. How about Saline? I love Saline Mustangs, right? Can't find one of those for less than 30 either. It doesn't matter what year it is. I found an SN, same body style as the Cobra, an SN Saline, white on white, supercharged, really nice car. I was like, yeah, that thing is badass. $27,000. No. Okay. How about a GT500? Okay. Well, I was thinking 0709 might be within the proper price range. I saw one. And by the time I'm ready to buy another car, it's not going to be around. So, I was looking, okay, what's the general, the average price that I'm going to be looking at? 0709, they're still in the high 20s, low 30s. And then I was like, okay, well, I could probably get a 10 to 12 for the same price. And yeah, you can. But the problem with the 0709 and the 10 to 12 is that a bolt-on Coyote will probably give it a run for its money. So, what can I get that is at a decent price range, has good power, good reliability, and is fun for me to drive without putting too much money into the car, well, I have a couple of options. Some of you may not like it. Okay, that's your prerogative. You know, I'm not going to force you to like what I get, but it's not what it's about. I'm buying a car for me. Now, a couple of maybes. I was thinking about a Corvette, like a C6, maybe a C6Z. You guys know that I'm a huge fan of Corvette. Yeah, I know, all my Mustang people are like, no, Mustang. I should probably put this window up. So Corvette, maybe a C6 Z06 if I can find one in the right price range that hasn't been abused, but has been previously modified maybe. It's going to be one of those when the time is right deals, maybe it'll happen. Or, who knows, maybe by the time that I'm able to buy another car, I'll have enough money that I can put down on something like a C7 Z06. I don't know. So, what I'm getting, it's a mystery. Even I don't know yet. I was also considering, I know, I'm bracing for it. I can feel the hate emanating right now out of the phone. I was even considering like a 12 or 13, maybe 14, 15, I don't know, Camaro ZL1. I know.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
All my Mustang people probably ended the video and hit unsubscribe already. But again, Go Fast Nation. Not Mustangs only. I respect all fast cars. So, the possibilities out there for maybe a Camaro ZL1. But it's got to be manual. That's the thing. The car I'm getting, no matter what it is going to be a stick shift. Has to be. I don't care if there's faster cars out there that are automatic. I don't care. I want to drive a manual. So, what else is out there? I was also thinking maybe an import. I know, right? Now, all of my American Muscle fans have already ended the video and hit unsubscribe.
I'm out.
Well, hear me out. If you watched the video that G-Funk made when I went to visit him, we talked imports. Now, what import would I actually buy? Well, it would have to be something special, like an R32 GTR Skyline. Hell yeah, I would buy one of those. I want one. I'm gonna have one later in life. Is this the time for one now? Probably not. Another option. One of my import dream cars is an FD RX-7. Now, I don't want a freaking FC or an FB or FA or whatever the first generation is. I don't want one of those. They're everywhere. They're common. They're not that fun. Okay, they could be fun. But they're just not what I want. You know what I mean? It's got to be an FD. So, I looked at an FD. Yeah. Those are not cheap either. So do I want to spend $30 some odd thousand on a mid 90s, early to mid 90s Japanese car? No, I don't. I mean, I'm still really considering Corvette. Really considering Corvette. It's high on the list. It's just a matter of what can I afford. We'll just have to find out when I get it. Now, keep in mind, none of these things are going to be coming within the next month or 2 months. No, it's probably going to be like spring. It's going to be a while before I can buy something to replace the Cobra. There's the big news. I will be making a farewell video for the car. I know, sappy, arms of an angel, that crap, but I feel I got to do it. I owe it to my subs. I owe it to you guys. All 234, I think, last time I looked. So, hey, I appreciate you guys. Every single one of you. So, for now, it is what it is. Oh, I also forgot to mention that I was also considering Porsche until I looked up the prices. Not ready for one of those yet. I love Porsches. They're one of my favorite cars. Just not ready for one yet. Supra, would love one. Not happening. Nope. Sure, I could spend $45,000 on the cheap side and get a completely stock twin-turbo Supra with the 2JZ and the manual trans. But then I would have to spend another 50 grand-ish building that Supra. Do you have 100 grand sitting around? Not this guy. Same with the Skyline, same with an FD RX-7, same with all those cars. They're awesome cars, but you got to spend money to make them what the level that you expect those cars to be at. A lot of money. Whereas I could get like a Camaro ZL1 for mid-30s and have a stout 580 horsepower car to drive around, make content with, have fun with. Or like a 505 horsepower C6 Z06. It'll be fun. I mean, imagine this. Is a full bolt-on S550 faster than a C6 Corvette? Well, with a manual transmission from a dig, probably. I would bet it is. It'd be fun. From a roll? No. Highly doubt it. We're talking stock Z06 to full bolt-on S550 with the 6R80. Lund-tuned, headers, intake, you know the deal. So, it'd be fun. Can I find one, though? Well, that's why I'm talking to Rick. If you're not subscribed to Rick Corvette Conti, then you don't know how busy that man is. So, I understand. I have patience. I'm just merely going to talk to him about what would be a good option. Another thing that a lot of you are going to disagree with, I want a convertible. I've been lusting for a convertible for a long time. Have never been able to buy one. Now, a lot of you are saying, why don't you buy a Fox? Well, I've had a Fox. I loved it. I miss it. The problem is, I'm going to be honest with you, I need to finance. And in order for me to get the Fox body that I would actually want, I would need to spend some money. Unless I took a lot longer to buy a car and save money. Save up, save up, save up. I could, yes, but it would take me like probably a year to save up the 10 to 15 grand that I would spend on the Fox body that I would actually want. Which, if I could even find one, would be an 86 notchback. Yes, 4i notchback, manual transmission, 5.0 car. Good luck, right? They're out there, but I can't afford one. Not yet. So, I'm trying to get something in a timely manner that will be fun for me and that I can get reasonably priced. And when I say reasonably priced, I'm talking mid 20s to 30, mid 30s ish. So it's all a matter of what's in that price range that I can afford that's available. Maybe by that time, a 1314 GT 500 will be in the higher point of that price range. Because right now, they're still in the 40s and 50s. I can't do it. Can't do it. Not if I want to be a responsible business owner when the time comes. That's another video. Why don't you guys give me some suggestions in the comments below? Don't just stick to Mustangs, okay? I love Mustangs, and if one comes available at the right price that has what I want, convertible, manual, and boost, maybe I'll get one. Maybe I can find a manual transmission convertible S197 with a supercharger. That would be sick. Maybe I could find an early S197 Saline. I would be happy as a pig in excrement with that. So there you go, guys. That's what I was thinking. I don't know. You let me know. Give me some options that I haven't thought of yet. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time.